Welcome to Let's Talk, where we discuss tips, tricks, and solutions for your hair. Let me ask you something. Do you wake up in the morning with dry, frizzy, and tangled hair? If the answer is yes, you might want to take a closer look at your pillowcase. Most people sleep on cotton pillowcases, but they can contribute to ongoing hair problems, including knots. Often the rough cotton fibers of your pillowcase prevent your hair from sliding around easily, resulting in a tangled mess when you wake up in the morning. Snarled hair takes longer to style, and yanking on your roots with aggressive brushing can pull some of your hair out and lead to breakage. Damaged hair. As you're tossing and turning at night, your hair is rubbing against the cotton fibers of your pillowcase, which can cause hair to break. Repeated breakage can ultimately make your hair look thinner overall. Frizzy hair. To avoid frizz, it's especially important to dry your hair before going to bed. Wet hair can create even more friction against your pillowcase while you sleep. Dry hair. Cotton pillowcases are known to absorb the oils from your hair and skin, which can leave them dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. The good news is all these problems are easily addressed by switching to a silk pillowcase. Silk allows the hair to slide around on your pillow effortlessly, so you wake to smoother hair. This luxurious fabric also helps your hair retain its moisture, since it's not as absorbent as cotton. If you're not ready to make the switch from your cotton pillowcase, just keep your hair wrapped in a silk scarf at night to keep it protected. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media to learn more. For Let's Talk, I'm Tina. Let's talk soon.